What is affiliate marketing and how does it work? Affiliate marketing for beginners. By the end of this video, you're going to know how to start an affiliate marketing, what to avoid, and how to succeed. There are steps that you need to take in order for you to succeed. Please subscribe to this channel and drop a like and share this video. Okay, before we get going into the steps about affiliate marketing, it's very important to understand what is affiliate marketing. Now, what I like you to think about right now is just real estate agents. Real estate agents, they don't own their properties. What they do is they market the property, they show the property, features, benefits, and then they sell the property. When they sell the property, they get paid a commission. And that's it. Affiliate marketing is same thing, but it happens online. So people look at your product that you are promoting, just like the real estate. It doesn't matter if it's a physical or non-physical. They click on it. If they buy it, you get paid. So let's go ahead and talk about why is it a good idea, why people are attracted to it. Because it's a low startup cost. You don't need to create a product. You don't have to provide customer support. You don't need a merchant account. You can work from home or anywhere in the world. You can create a residual income. And here, number 7 is the most important thing. 86% of all millionaires have at least 3 multiple sources of income before they made their first million. And also, you can automate the process 100%. Step number 1, mentor. Imagine yourself, you're driving your car at night without a headlight, and you don't know what you're going to hit. Your mentor is your headlights. So it's very important to have a mentor. Step number 2, you gotta pick the right affiliate network. Let's go ahead and talk about Amazon Associates. Let's go ahead and take a look at it. Here's what they say. They say you can earn up to 10%. Up to 10. That doesn't mean you're going to make 10%. And here it is. Earn 8% on furniture, for example. Earn 5%. Why in the world you want to sit there, spin your wheels, trying to sell somebody, and most of the stuff, what is it? A boot, a camera? Well, how much you going to be? You're going to be making pennies. You don't want to be making penny. If you want to make penny, a penny will always be a penny. That's something I will never do. But if you like to do it, it's up to you. I do not recommend it at all. The other one, which is JVZoo. If you never heard about JVZoo, we'll go ahead and talk about it right now. Most of JVZoo is basically specialized in software. Some of the software are really good. Some of the software are not really good. What happens is that you would go in, that you join for free, and then there are a lot of vendors inside, and then you can choose the vendor that you want to sell their product. They have to approve you. Some of them, it's easy to get approved. Some of them is a little bit hard, but nonetheless, in JVZoo, there is a approval process, but it's not that hard. Number 3 is Share a Sale. They sell a lot of things. I'm not going to say that they specialize in one thing or another. There are few that actually sell tangible products. You can sell clothes instead of you having to open Shopify store. But I don't recommend it for beginners. Now, network marketing companies, network marketing is not affiliate marketing. 40% of all the joint ventures that I have done happen with people that they used to do network marketing, but then they lost their shirt because the FTC, Federal Trade Commission, caught up with them and then they closed these companies down. Let's talk about Commission Junction. Commission Junction, I would say, is one of the best. We are part of all of them except Amazon. But again, they do have a lot of companies, products that you can sell, but you have to get approved. By the way, I forgot to tell you about Amazon.com, especially for new affiliates, is that you have to have a website. They don't tell you that up front. Now, the last one that we're going to talk about is a ClickBank. A ClickBank is truly a public network. It is a very good website. There's a lot of things that you can actually sell from this. Now, on ClickBank, you can sell your own product and you can also be an affiliate. If you're a beginner, obviously, you don't want to sit there and create a product. You want to start selling someone else's product and making a commission. When you get in, you can pick anything and you can sell it. And this is the only one that I actually recommend if you are new. They don't really have approval process. And then let's say you want to sell this product right here. Some of them, what they do is they call it whitelist, but this is something very simple. ClickBank is the only one that I would recommend. Step number 3, set up your business right or fail. So I'm going to go ahead and tell you the pillars that you have to have in order for you to succeed. what's good about them is they're all free to get started. So there is no excuse not to have them, but it's up to you whether you want to use them or not. I'm going to show you the one that I use and my team use. The number one is that you have to have a funnel system. Funnel takes a visitor step by step through the entire sales process. Now, the one that we use is ClickFunnels. Now, you can use whatever you want to. Why we use it is very simple. They are the pioneer of the funnel selling system. Let me go ahead and give you some tips in case you want to join them. So when you go in here, what happens is this is a default, and you want to make sure to pay attention. This is also, you get 14 days free, I believe. But when you get here, you get this. Make sure you're not on that because that's the default. You want to click on that because this is $297. You don't have to get this unless you feel like you really need to. And then it's a very simple process. Okay, the second one that we want to talk about is you must have a website. And if you advertise on Facebook or Google, for example, more than likely they're going to go ahead and shut down your account. So you must have a website. We use Bluehost. We used to use other websites before. It's a headache. You have the basic, plus, choice plus, and then pro. You can start with this and you can just select it. You click on it. You don't have to worry about creating a domain or anything. You just click on this right here saying that you will do it later. And what happened is that you will go in here and then they'll ask you some questions. And here, for example, you can decide of how many months. And here's the things that you do not need. You don't need this one. You click it off and then you click this one off. Just remember to click the stuff that you don't need. Let's go ahead and go to the other pillar, autoresponder. And this is where a lot of confusion happened. I would say about between 85 to 95%. They're not friendly toward affiliate marketers. They will close your account right away. Now, we use ConvertKit because you can use it for multiple websites. Some autoresponders, they charge you per website. When you have more than one website, for example, or one domain, they will charge you double. ConvertKit is affiliate friendly and they are easy to use. The best thing to do, they're straightforward. And what I would encourage you is to watch the demo. Now, the tracking system, a lot of people overlook that. If you can't track it, you can't scale it. And if you can't scale it, you can't grow. You need to track what's working for you and what's not working for you. The one that we use is ClickMagick. It's easy to use. They do have an extensive video training. I'm going to be making more videos about how to improve your financial situation and how to make money either online or offline. You really don't want to miss them. So make sure to subscribe and hit that notification button. If you want to learn how I make over $700 from only 3 sources of income, click here and I will see you at the top.